I'm a professional chef.
I'm a beginner chef. I've got the best tools in the game.
I've got experience and passion.
Let's see who makes the best roast.
The rules of the challenge are simple. Each chef will have 5 hours to cook a prime rib with horseradish sauce. They'll be judged on 3 categories: who can achieve a perfect medium rare, presentation, and taste.
And the time starts now.
So our most important thing here is temperature.
Okay.
I'm gonna be going completely blind on this. That's your biggest advantage. I'm gonna rely on my flavor and my instincts to try to just be in the right ballpark.
Okay, so then I just dumped this entire bowl on.
Yeah, season heavily with salt and pepper.
I was kidding. Wait, I seriously just this?
You're not gonna be able to oversalt.
That's too much salt.
Okay,
That's too much salt. That's too much salt. That's too much salt.
I often tell people it's almost impossible to over-season a piece of meat like this.
I dare to dream. Presentation-wise, I will lose points.
I think you're gonna like how you're doing.
You are so positive, and
listen.
I love that we're friends, but you are so optimistic for my chances.
I know Hunter's gonna be able to dial in the perfect cook, so I need to just whoop ass when it comes to presentation, flavor, and just pray that I'm in the right temperature ballpark.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with a little rosemary garlic crust, but it's the holidays. I want some sort of, I want that herbaceousness. I want that pizzazz.
Herbaceousness, bro.
I'm gonna use my knife. You could also just chuck that into a blender.
That's smart. Shit.
Man down.
Garlic down.
Just hit this with a little bit of olive oil. I want to kind of get to a thick paste.
Okay, I'm gonna really smack this thing.
All right. While Hunter toils,
Oh, shut up!
I'm gonna go in the oven. Here's my rib roast. Little garlic rosemary crust. Season Hunter up a little bit, help break down that garlic.
This is cheating, but I'll appreciate it because I forgot that I had to season it.
Listen, season everything, my friend.
I am very unstable.
I'm gonna add a little more oil, slowly but surely.
Okay.
Give it a little smacker. Yep. Look at this, gentle, gentle, gentle.
Okay, so I'm feeling really nervous about this. Literally the only thing that I think I have a chance is because I'm using an actual meat thermometer. In there, and on the St. Gold, perfect medium rare is 125 to 135. Pull roast 10 to 15 degrees before desired temp. So math, I'm going to set this to 125, so I'm gonna say 117.
All right.
Okay, set at 117. Inside is reading 47 degrees. All right, let's do this. Okay.
Hunter just stepped out to walk his dogs. I gave him a lot of help with his roast getting into the oven, so I'm gonna hide the ingredients for his sauce to throw him off his game. Sour cream going in the jacuzzi. May or may not be food safe. We've got our chives in the putting green. Mayo with the dolphins. Horseradish hiding in plain sight.
Okay, so I started at a super high heat to try and brown the meat. Ugh, yeah, that's burning. So we're gonna just turn this down. Okay, his is set at 285. 315 I think should probably do it. It may have burnt a little bit. It's at 51 degrees, so I put it at 315. That should be fine.
I would lower that number a little bit.
Okay. 300?
300 max.
Okay, 295.
The higher the temp of the oven, the more of a gray band you're gonna have around that exterior of the meat. And you're also gonna have less breathing room to just let it gently carry over to that perfect temperature that you want. Low and slow, 315 is a little too much.
Or, if you're like me, you can just cook it as high as possible because efficiency. But then I burnt my meat.
This is supposed to be a competition. I've been holding your hand a little bit too much here,
I don't like this.
so I mixed it up. I hid the ingredients for your sauce, and these are your clues. Let's see what you can do. If you don't have a sauce, I'm gonna whoop your ass. Come on now.
Sour cream in the time machine. I've got less than 3 hours. I'm keeping this on me, but where we shoot, this is like a 2-acre property. No, time machine, time machine. This house has a hot tub. Hot tub time machine? Be so for real! Really? Oh, my pants are wet. Oh, the pool scoop. Oh my God. Aha. Aha. Oh, it's got stuff on it now. Gross. There's one. The temperature is already starting to climb, so it's already at 54. Chive just got an eagle. What the fuck? Oh, is that a golf reference? Okay, I think I know where it is. Aha! Ah, this one is the easy one. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be great. We're gonna be great. When you find your porpoise in life, you will find the mayo. The fountains have dolphins. Aha, there you are. There we go. The horse in the Thunderdome. Now I'm actually a little concerned. Oh, hold on. The horseradish, the gazebo. Dang it. We have a dome air fryer, but there's no way that they would put it. That would just be too easy. I got time. We've got 55 minutes left on the cook. Dome. Nope. You look like a dome. Nothing. Here's the one thing that I realized with the air fryer. I don't think the jar would actually fit in there. Use! Well, I have the ingredients now. God, we got 45 minutes to go.
All right, let's make a sauce.
I'm gonna do mine to taste. Hunter has a recipe. See which one's better. All right, so I'm using a fresh horseradish that just so happens to look like a...
Ah! It is time to pull the roast. Oh, whoa. I'm really impressed.
Yeah.
Whoa. I'm actually really proud.
go.
I've never cooked something that big before.
Woo, look at that caramelization. Hunter's roast is out of the oven. I'm thinking mine needs about another 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna do a little fresh horseradish, a little creme fraiche.
I could probably eat this entire bowl.
It's dang,
This is
right?
really
You're
good.
killing it.
This
We
is
try?
really, yeah, go for it. That's actually, wow. I didn't realize that it was that easy.
Yep.
I know we're competing right now, but like,
What do you think? Do you think it needs anything?
Does it need salt?
Brain onto something?
Definitely needs salt. Just a little bit more pepper.
I'm gonna pull mine. I want to err on the side of rare-ish, entry-level medium rare. Say a little prayer for me because I have no clue what the temperature's at. But oh my God, I'm getting all my instincts telling me to pull clear juices, beautiful caramelization. It's almost like fried garlic on top. And I didn't even raise the temp. This was 285 the entire way. I think it's where we want it.
Challenge ends in an hour and a half.
Okay.
Mine's been resting now for 20-ish minutes.
Awesome. Purely based on instinct, what I know about the time and the weight of the meat. So this is kind of the moment of the truth. We're gonna see what the initial temp is, check back in 15 to 20, see what the carryover temp lands at. But we're gonna know if Hunter has a chance here.
I don't know, man.
Ooh, not a great sign for Hunter. 118.4, honestly, really happy with that. We're gonna give it 15, 20 minutes, see that final temperature, and then we'll rest and taste test. We got it there, baby.
I'm actually like low-key speechless. So mine just finished resting. It got all the way up to 129, but it fell back down. So the carryover cook is done. It's at 127.7. So that should be all but perfect medium rare. So I'm actually, honestly, pretty happy with this.
You kind of have to be thinking ahead. Hunter pulled his roast at 118, and it went all the way up to 129. So first of all, perfect medium rare, killed it.
We've got an hour and 10 minutes before this challenge is over. So we've got plenty of time to let this rest, plate it up, see where it goes.
Nice. Biggest takeaway? 2 kick-ass roasts.
I'm genuinely surprised by this, man. Honestly, may the best man win, but like, I'm actually pretty stoked on this, even though you hid all my ingredients for my sauce all over the freaking property. Moment of truth. Let's see if they're actually medium rare. Right down the middle, boy. I'm so nervous, man. Ooh!
Oh, brother.
I'm actually, we
Crushed it.
got pretty similar results.
Gorgeous.
I get to watch his plating because I don't know how to plate.
Oh my God, it's fantastic. Even spread across the plate. Is it even gonna fit on the plate? Oh my God. Since we only season the outside of the meat, I'm just gonna finish with some beautiful flaky salt. Voila, my plate done. Look at that, great texture.
Take a really big slice here. Okay, well, first, hold on. Zachary!
Here he is.
Have a sit.
First of all, if you got either of those plates,
Yeah.
Guys.
you
Guys!
shouldn't have.
Me?
For me, red meat.
We love Zach.
First question here, before taste, presentation.
This is tough. This is tough. I'm noticing some fun little bits here of the topping, but maybe that was unintentional. It fell off. To be honest, they are both beautiful. But at the end of the day, I think I have to go here. I'm so sorry.
Ah!
Also, look at how big it is. It's
I
such
know.
a huge piece. These little bits almost changed my mind. I thought this was intentional.
Yeah,
little
I
bits of, like-
like took them off and I put them, and I was like, oh, it's decoration. You're gonna get blindfolded, and you're gonna see which one you like the best,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that's gonna decide
You're gonna
this
make me the
challenge.
perfect bite.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Back.
Yeah. Blindfold. Sit. Yes, good. Okay.
Careful,
So
that is a sharp
that's very sharp. La, la, la. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Okay.
Careful.
Oh, that sauce is really good. It's gonna be tough. Oh no.
Here comes the airplane.
We got another one. Another one, I think. My taste buds have decided. I think it was the first.
Damn it! Oh!
Number one. Oh, sorry. The first one was so incredibly tender and perfect. The sauce on this one had just a little too much horseradish.
So
For my taste.
that's fair. Doneness wise,
Doneness, they were both so perfectly moist and tender.
Okay.
so it was really the sauce.
It was the sauce. It came down to the sauce.
So the big takeaway here, you can get a kick-ass result with the right tools and just take a couple chef steps from this recipe, apply them these holidays, and feast and enjoy with the family.
Happy holidays, everyone. Okay, damn, but yeah. Oh wow, that's not even close.